Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can share Capcut's project with someone. And so if you need to collaborate or share your Capcut project with a fan, teammate, or editor, I'm going to show you how you can share your Capcut project seamlessly in just a few steps through this video. First, you can just launch the Capcut applications on your phone. Okay, once you open Capcut, you'll see on the edit or Capcut homepage, there will be list of projects that you are currently doing. And here you can just choose the projects that you want to share. So first of all, you can just click on this three dots icon besides the projects that you want to share. For example, I'm going to share this ones right here. You can click on the three dots icon and there will be this share projects option. So this is a pretty new feature on CapCut where you can view and edit projects with others. So you can just tap on this share project, click on upload, and now project is uploading, and you can just wait. Do not close the app. So the projects will be uploaded to your space. In here you can see project uploaded, and now what you need to do is just choose between this four. You can share it via link. You can copy the link of the projects, or in here you can also directly share it to Instagram, WhatsApp, or Facebook. Or the next method is that you can open your space, click on the space in here. Okay, as you guys can see here, this is my projects that I just uploaded. So you can just open the space and find the projects in here. This is the projects. So what you need to do is just invite the person that you want to share it share the project with to this space. So you can just click on the plus icon at the top and invite your friends or your teammate to this cloud space on CapCut, so they can open it or they can have access to the project that you share. And so that's all from me. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, and you can drop question or sharing tips in the comments below. And also don't forget to subscribe and click on the thanks for more CapCut tutorials. Bye!